Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. Harley-Davidson adds to its Sportster footprint and moves the progress bar on its 100 new models goal with the 70s tastic 48 Special. Like the base model 48, it rolls with numerous custom touches that tie it directly to a specific era, just of a more recent vintage. Blackout components and chrome accents mix freely across the machine with the same 1,200cc, 73 pound-feet Sportster engines that drives the base model. Harley follows the usual pricing protocols with a vivid black model for $11,299. The color option will set you back $11,649 and gets you a choice between Wicked Red or the new Billiard White. No matter which you pick, the tank comes with a color complementing 70s tastic graphic on both sides. Security is a $395 option, and California buyers get hit with an emissions package that will set them back another Benjamin.